So take a look at this wall here. Could really use pressure washed. So it looks like after, this took me 10 minutes to pressure that part of the wall. I mean, look at the difference. Isn't that something? Right there's your difference. This is just with this cheap little Greenworks 1600. You don't need too much. Now I did use a pretty healthy tip on that. You don't want to get too close, but that's the tip I used. And that's the job that it did. Nice work. Getting there. There we go, finishing this up. Looking too bad. A long way to go. Yeah, I think it's looking a lot better. It's a lot of work, but if you like this stuff, give me a little like on this video and maybe subscribe. And I don't know if I can teach you very much, but maybe you can tell me in the comments and you can teach me. Thanks.